My name is David Augustine James. I am a member of NATA, Nigerian Automobile Technician Association, Akwa Ibom State Chapter. Currently, I am the Unit 5 Secretary in Akwa Ibom State NATA Chapter. I want to speak briefly on one of the multinational oil brand called Mobil. I want to talk about the importance of Mobil oil and the availability of Mobil oil. Mobil oil over time has been proven to be one of the best of the oil so far we've had, and it is highly recommendable to anybody with the following points of mind. Point one, Mobil is an oil that has passed through API, known as American Petroleum Institute. It is the body that checkmates the quality of oil. And also it passes through SAE, called Society of Automotive Engineers, which is the body that has to do with the viscosity and the texture of the oil, the degree of its lightness or the thickness of the oil. And also why I use Mobil is because it is very, very important when you use it rightly and appropriately in your car engine. In Mobil, you have the liberty to choose the particular oil you want to use, because it has been stipulated when you check that there is a one designed for petroleum engine and there is one for diesel engine. With this, you will not mistaken a diesel engine oil for that of the diesel engine oil. So these are the qualities that make Mobil one of the best oil so far. So I want to say that Mobil oil is a good oil recommended and that is good to be used. I specialize on Japanese vehicles such as Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Kia, Mitsubishi, etc. I mentioned about a few of these challenges we have that is very commonly felt and seen in this our field is, number one, inferior parts. When you buy a part that is not standardized, that is not well approved, when you fix in a car, definitely you must have challenges, such as probably your ball joint. When they are not from the right sources, you have eminent problems as a result of that, using of inferior parts. And also in the area of the oil, like I said, when you buy your oil from other company that we have tested, you discover that their viscosity is really a challenge to our vehicle. Sometimes when you use their oil, it causes smoking of the engine and many other challenges, which I might not have the time to mention, but we have numbers of them, and just to mention but few. All right, thank you very much. My preparation towards the advancement in the technological and the scientific world in the area of the automobile industry is not far-fetched from what NATA has already put in place to ensure we have been retrained, empowered to be reoriented with the new technological availability of what is happening. So we are prepared in the area of the SUV, the electric vehicle. NATA have put in some level of, that have helped us bring some level of education to ensure we are educated on how this system works, how it is operated, what is expected of the engineers. So we are prepared to meet with the new technological demands of the new technology. Thank you.